How to add a red moon effect behind the image in Photoshop. First, choose your background color. Then, insert your image by pressing Ctrl+V. Next, go to the Layers panel and create a new folder above the solid color layer. After that, go to the Shape tool and select the Ellipse tool. Hold Shift while dragging to make a perfect circle. Now, go to Fill Color and choose orange or red for the moon. Then, open the blending options. Select Inner Glow and adjust the settings for a soft inner light. Then go to Outer Glow. Follow the settings to make the moon shine beautifully. And that's it, your red moon effect is ready.